Good afternoon, everyone. Class 11, Subject Biology, Chapter 2, Biological Classification. Protista. We have studied, we have read Protista. Kingdom Protista include cryophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime mold, and protozoans. It includes all unicellular and colonial eukaryotes. Most of them are aquatic, forming plankton. Mode of nutrition may be photosynthetic, saprophytic, parasitic, or holozoic. Flagella, if present, are 11-stranded with 9 plus 2 arrangement of microtubules composed of tubulin. Genetic material consists of 2 or more DNA molecules. Slime mold. They are saprophytic protists and feeds on decaying twigs and leaves. Under favorable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium, which produce fruiting bodies bearing spores. Next, the cell wall of spores contain cellulose. The spores are dispersed by air currents. Example, Physarum fuligo. Protozoans. All protozoans are heterotrophs and live as predators or parasites. They are considered as primitive relatives of animals. Amoeboids move and capture food by pseudopodia. Some are parasitic also. Flagellated protozoans are free living or parasitic. They have flagella. Ciliated protozoans are aquatic, have infectious spores-like stage in their life cycle. Protozoans, amoeboids, amoeba, and amoeba. Flagellated trypanosoma, sporozoans, plasmodium, ciliated paramecium. Next, kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi, they are achlorophyllous heterotrophic spores forming non-vesicular eukaryotic organisms. Cell wall is made up of chitin or fungal cellulose. Reserve food is glycogen. Reproductions may be vegetative, fragmentations, fissions, budding, asexual, conidia, sporangiophore, or zoospores. Sexual reproduction by oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. Sexual cycles involve the following steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Plasmogamy, fusion of male and female gametes. Karyogamy, fusion of two nuclei. Meiosis is zygote to produce haploid spores. Fungi are four types: fungi Ascomycetes, Basitomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Phycomycetes. First, Phycomycetes. They are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in moist and damp places. Next, the mycelium is aseptate and coinocytic. Asexual reproduction by zoospores, motile, or apollinospores, non-motile. Asexual reproduction is by motile and non-motile. Example, mucus, rhizopus, albigo, etc. Second, Ascomycetes, the sac fungi. They are saprophytic, decompresses, parasitic, or caprophilous, growing on dung. Mycelium and branched and septate and asexual spores are conidia. Sexual spores are called ascospores, produced inside the fruiting body called ascocarp. Neurospora, aspergillus, for example, claviceps, etc. Basitomycetes, this is called the club fungi. The mycelium is branched and septate. Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Next, asexual spores are not found. Sexual reproduction is by two vegetative or somatic cells forming basidium. Basidiospores are produced in basidium by developing a fruiting body called basidiospores. Example, Agaricus, Astilagopuccinium. Deuteromycetes, the fungi imperfect. Only vegetative and asexual phase is known is known. Deuteromycetes mycelium is septate and branch. Some members are saprophytes. For example, Alternaria, Trichoderma, Coleto, Tricho. Kingdom Plantae. Eukaryotic chlorophyll bearing organism life cycle is divided into diploid saprophytic and haploid gametophytic, which alternate with each other. Kingdom Plantae include algae, bryophytes, stradiophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperm. Next, Kingdom Animalia. Animalia, heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms that are multicellular. Cell wall is absent in the cell. Mode of nutrition is halozoic and reserve food is glycogen or fats. Sexual reproduction is by copulations between male and female, followed by embryological development. Then other virus, viroids, and lichens. Five kingdom system classification do not include virus, viroids, and lichens. Viruses are non-cellular organisms having intercrystalline structure outside the living. When then they enter the living cells, they take over the machinery of living cell to replicate themselves. Next, D. J. Avanowski recognized certain microbes as causal organisms of mosaic disease of tobacco. In addition to proteins, viruses also contain genetic material that could be DNA or RNA. In general, viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA, and viruses that infect animals have double-stranded DNA. Viroids are discovered by T.O. Diener as new infectious agent smaller than virus causing potato spindle tuber disease. They are free RNA without protein coat. Lichen are symbiotic association between algae and fungi. The algal part is called phycobiont and the fungal part are called mycobiont. They are good pollution indicator as they do not grow in polluted area. Thank you. This chapter is completed biological classification. Tomorrow I will doing exercise. Bye. Thank you.